information regarding a tornado warning in Charlotte and Sarasota counties. So I want to toss it out to Alex Orenchuk. He is our Charlotte County community correspondent. Alex, we know there was a bridge closure there. We know that multiple roads were closed in that community. What can you tell us at this time?
Yeah, Shari, I'm actually here at this neighborhood in Jobean, right off of 776. If you can take a look behind me, this road is absolutely inundated with water. This is actually, we haven't seen much rain, we haven't seen much else other than this water completely pouring into this road here. But this is one of the places that had that tornado warning expire for this location, and you can see just how strong the wind is here, bouncing off against the water. Now, we've seen debris fly by, we've seen trees, limbs come down, we've seen gas cans float down the road. This is actually one of the low-lying areas of the county that's under an evacuation order, but we have seen some people sticking around. But we did speak with Sheriff Bill Permel earlier, who said if you are in an evacuation zone and you aren't evacuating, or you're driving through standing water that looks like this, you're not only putting yourself at risk, but other people as well.
I don't want to see my deputies or any other first responder be put into a dangerous situation because somebody was stupid. So please, like Patrick said, don't drown, turn around.
Now the rain has just started to come down on us here, and this isn't the only area of Charlotte County